Welcome to INO-TV, First Choice. In this video, we will show you the current top products for machining steel. First, let's take a look at the challenges of working with steel. In machining technology, the material group, steel, covers a wide range with a wide variety of properties. Simple free-cutting steels, high alloy tempering steels, brittle cast materials, and even slightly hardened steels should be machined with just one tool. During the machining process, the cutting edges and coatings are stressed very differently. For this reason, machining steel of different properties requires high-performance tooling with top-of-the-line qualities. For modern, economical manufacturing, it is necessary to choose the right strategy with the suitable tool. For high performance in the HPC area, roughing and finishing, we recommend our FightMax products from 1x to 3x. Our FightMax products impress with their long service life, thanks to optimized geometry and the Varicon Plus coating. An additional special feature is the forehead that is specially optimized for ramps. Ramp diving is recommended for FightMax, 1x and 2x. The HPC cord roughing end mill is characterized by the radius flute and the special cord profile. The StarMax Superfinish, multi-tooth end mill is ideal for finishing operations. For the trochoidal strategy, we recommend our 7-flute TSC end mills in 2x and 3x versions. Trochoidal milling for deep and complex contours requires an intelligent cam system to increase the efficiency. Our test center achieved top results with solid cam-eye machining and open-mind hyper mill. The lower cutting forces produced during trochoidal milling enable smaller tool diameters with a high length of cut. This saves time and money. In our simplified application example, we compare the HPC end mill, FightMax, with the highest spindle load. The cord roughing end mill, with reduced cutting forces and compact chips. And trochoidal machining with a smaller diameter. With the right milling strategy, time and money can be saved, depending on the application. For roughing operations in mold making in unhardened materials, the face torus end mills, with 2 teeth, have proven themselves. And StarMax ball nose cutters have found their place as an all-rounder. CSC curve segment cutting, with CurveMax, opens up new possibilities to reduce production times and increase surface quality in mold making. Watch the video, CurveMax, arc segment milling for more details. Last but not least, process reliable drilling in steel. With the First Choice drill program, from 3x to 12x, as well as the deep hole drills, DeepMax, from 15x to 30x. And the flat drills, for cross and angled drilling. See our videos, First Choice, drilling, and DeepMax, deep hole drilling, in detail. With Inovatools First Choice, mills and drills, you choose quality and efficiency. Increase process reliability and performance, reduce wear and machining time. Thank you and goodbye.